What's up, guys? We're about to go fishing out in the potholes here in Washington, and going along with my brother-in-laws Jason and Fries. And so this is what we got going on. We're gonna be in this fun, sketchy boat today, but should be good. So
It's only last cab 96.
we might be swimming. All right, Fries, where we at?
We're at Lyle Lake, dude.
Lyle Lake.
Try it out, see how it goes. Haven't been here in 2 or 3 years personally, so we'll see. I've caught some pigs though in my past, so let's not get skunked.
Oh, we'll see. Here we are.
Catch a blow up on camera. Oh, that's nice.
We missed the video, but Jason just pulled one in, and then right when it got in the net, popped off. But check that out. We're not skunked.
Get it, dude.
You manhandle that.
Thanks, bro.
Look at that thing. Is that a smallmouth?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Wow.
Small Archie.
Dude,
Atta
sick.
baby.
All right.
Nice.
Fry just reeled one in.
Atta baby. Squeaky McGee over here.
Woo.
Little pipsqueak. Pretty though.
Fun little one.
Yes, sir.
See, put him back where he belongs. So far, Fry's got one. Jason's got one. I'm still skunked, so this is how I saw it going, you know? I'm not a big bass fisher, so not surprised. But again, they both got one. I haven't. We've only been out for maybe 2 hours so far.
No way.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Evans cast.
So currently, motor died, and we're paddling. Got these Boone paddles, and we're making it back. Fries forgot to videotape. Fries didn't videotape my catch, but I actually caught one. A little one, but I caught one. So anyway, we're heading back. All right, we are all packed up, done with our first spot. We all caught one. Fries caught one, Jason caught one, and
One dead battery.
I caught one. And then the battery died on this thing on the trolling motor, so we had to paddle like halfway back. So that was fun, but probably gonna go to another lake or something. I don't know, right?
Yeah, little offshore spot.
See if we can get some offshore fishing done. Take you along. This is what you see off the road. It's a beautiful little spot. Come out this way. Just check out this section. Beautiful.
Wow, I jammed him.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Woo. Sweet. Gone. Fry's just caught one. Let's check it out. Oh yeah.
Another little dink, dude. We'll take
Nice
it.
little guy.
Sweet, man.
Let's catch the toss.
So pretty.
That was a thud.
Straight under.
Time for mine. Finally got a second one today. Come
Atta
on. First one
baby.
didn't get recorded.
I know. This one we got recorded though. We're
Second
good.
one, here we are. Oh, yummy mouth.
Sweet, dude.
Dude, the fins are sharp actually. That's crazy. I've never bass fished.
That looks pretty
Look
cool,
at that.
man.
It's a nice looking fish.
Atta baby. Number 2.
Yeah.
Now we all got 2. 6 total on the day. Let's get the release.
Oh, I'd have knocked him out.
Belly flop. It works.
Sick.
Atta baby.
Let's get another one. Just pulled in another one. Woo! Beautiful spot. Number 3 of the day. Not bad. Awesome. I'll throw him back in. We've got a ways to go. He's gone. I got number 4 right here. See this guy. Oh, he's jumping around. So cool. A little smaller. Sweet. Toss him in. You gone. Woo! Come on, dude.
Everyone got 2.
I've got 4.
I got 3.
Nice, man.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, grab him.
Thanks, dude.
Let's see.
Made the unhooking easy.
Dude, that's sweet.
It's sick, man. He's pretty little guy.
Yeah. See the mouth. Ooh. It's awesome. We're on like a,
3.
what'd you say, is it 15, 20 feet drop?
Oh, easy. At least 20.
Let's
You
do
ready?
it, yeah. And he's
I
gone.
see it still.
That's so. Well, I think we pulled out a total of maybe 5 or 6 fish here. Pretty sweet. Not bad. On to the next. Grab him. Come on. That's number 5. There you go, 5, yeah. I missed one earlier. Oh, this one's stuck in good. Oh, not bad. Little fish. Alright, he's going back in. Where'd he go? Come on, this is number 6. Oh, no. Whoa, chill out, bro. Number 6. This has been a good spot for me. Woo. Go, little backflip action. That looks gross. Look at that. No way. Interesting. What is this? 8? Got another one. This one swallowed it. Oh man. Got a little guy. So I'm gonna get a video of him going in. The frog. Gone. Little otter.
I've never seen one of those.
What? Still running. Where's it going? We just ran into an otter and I was chasing it, trying to get some video of it. So that was interesting. Oh, we're starting to head our way back to the truck. We're out of water, so we're all thirsty and kind of getting hungry, but. Whew. All right, so I think we're done. We're all hot and sweaty, hungry and thirsty, but we caught 18 out of all of us. That was pretty fun. We hit, what, 3 different spots, I guess, maybe 2.
Well, that one alone was...
Yeah, a couple little ponds, but that was fun. The last pond, we were seeing them and throwing them and trying to bring them towards where our lure was, and I got 1 or 2 that way, but it's a good trip. Woo.